1. Ready to block out the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here, and their noise cancellation is truly next level, setting a new standard. 2. Imagine turning a bustling commute into a serene escape, or a noisy office into a focused workspace. These industry-leading noise-canceling headphones make distractions simply vanish. 3. Powering your peace for longer. These premium headphones boast an incredible 30-hour battery life, meaning days of uninterrupted listening for all your adventures. 4. And with multi-point connection, effortlessly switch between your laptop for a video call and your phone for music without ever missing a beat, enhancing your daily productivity. 5. What truly sets the XM5S apart is this seamless integration of comfort, intelligent audio, and powerful performance that adapts to you. 6. From their sleek, lightweight design to the crystal clear call quality, every aspect of these Sony headphones screams premium engineering. 7. If you're looking to buy the best noise-canceling headphones available right now, these are absolutely worth considering. 8. Experience pure audio bliss and unparalleled quiet. These are more than just headphones, they're your personal sanctuary. 9. You can find the best deals and detailed information for the Sony WH-1000XM5 on Amazon via the link in the description below. 10. For anyone serious about upgrading their audio experience in 2025, I highly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5. You won't be disappointed.